Welcome back to Kids Fun
Fun
Land Club.
So today we are gonna draw
Yeah, today we are going to draw
a boy.
a boy. And how do we draw that boy? With the help of a pencil. This is like going to be, if you want to ask me, you can ask me how to draw a boy with a pencil. A pencil sketch of a boy drawing, right? Let's get started. Parishit is gonna lead us this time. Let's follow Parikshit.
Okay.
Should we write a B, right?
Yeah, you can write a boy.
So we start with writing a B.
Then O.
Then a O.
Then a Y.
And then a Y.
Yeah, but don't curve that line. No, yeah, don't curve this line.
Okay.
And now, from this, from this,
This. This.
and this.
Okay.
And this.
Okay.
And this. And the mom pointing. And we are done.
So this is basically a beginner's drawing of a boy with the help of a pencil using the letters B-O-Y.
Boy. This is probably not do that. Why did you do that? That was here.
Okay, that was the ear. So sorry. Ears are covered by the hairs. So this was a very easy drawing of a boy.
It's a beginner's drawing.
A beginner's drawing of a boy using a pencil.
He's drinking thumbs up.
I hope you enjoyed this drawing, and if you really did, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel to see some amazing drawing videos that we upload every single day for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
And also share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the rate Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club for some amazing ideas on how to draw, how to have fun, how to do some magic maybe, how to cook
Magic.
food, how to dance, how to sing, how to tell stories, and a lot more things. See you in the next video. Have a good and a great and a wonderful evening. Bye bye.